Where's toys here today, y'all? It's a Pokemon opening up. Today we're gonna be opening up Mega Evolution Perfect Order. See if we get anything. Here goes the QR code for who all needs it. One through the front. I like saying fire. That's fire. Let's see what we get. Be nice to get a big hit. Yeah. Uh-oh. Hollow energy search. We got a hollow arm missers. And did we get anything? Yes, we did. A rocky energy. Whatever that is. Well, y'all, like what you'll see, subscribe to my channel, please. Woods Toys out of here.